This made me connect into my intuition even more, and it feels good. I'm on the right path.
Michael certainly makes us all feel safe and secure that we can be ourselves and say what comes through. And there's no judgment here.
The opportunity opened up and the course dates came up and I thought, do it.
The reason why I'm sharing this with people is, for me, along the way, I was supporting people through the work that I do. And what I've found is the best way to actually support someone is to empower them to be able to do it themselves.
My biggest takeaway is about learning the mind-body-spirit connection.
Wow, this sounds really appealing to me. I need to do this.